If you're considering buying AI Writer Pro, there are 12 things you need to know before making that decision. While this generative AI software offers some great features, it's important to weigh it against other options available on the market. Here's what you should be aware of. First, let's talk about the ease of use. AI Writer Pro is user-friendly, but it's not as intuitive as some competitors like Jasper AI. Jasper gives you a more streamlined experience for new users, whereas AI Writer Pro might take a bit longer to get comfortable with. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind. Next thing, AI Writer Pro shines with its content quality. It generates solid blog posts, social media captions, and email content that are pretty close to human written quality. But, like many AI tools, it sometimes misses the mark when it comes to tone or specific context, which can be a common issue with generative AI, even when compared to tools like Writesonic or Copy.ai. The third thing to note is pricing. AI Writer Pro is competitively priced, but it's on the higher end when compared to more affordable tools like Writer or Simplified. If you're just starting out or on a budget, those might be more appealing options. However, if you need more advanced features, AI Writer Pro could be worth the extra cost. The fourth thing to consider is the templates available. AI Writer Pro does offer a variety of templates to generate content, but they're not as extensive or customizable as those offered by Copy.ai. Copy.ai gives you more flexibility with different content types and allows for deeper customization. The fifth thing, integrations. AI Writer Pro integrates well with tools like Google Docs and WordPress, but it lacks some of the more advanced integrations that tools like Jasper AI offer. If you rely heavily on certain tools for your workflow, you may want to check if AI Writer Pro supports them. Next thing, language support. If you're targeting a global audience, AI Writer Pro supports multiple languages, but it isn't as comprehensive as Jasper or Writesonic, which support a wider variety of languages with better accuracy. The seventh thing is content plagiarism. While AI Writer Pro does a decent job at generating original content, it doesn't have as powerful a plagiarism checker as tools like Quillbot or Grammarly. You may still need a separate tool to verify content originality. The eighth thing is speed. AI Writer Pro does generate content fairly quickly, but there's a noticeable difference when compared to faster competitors like Writer or Jasper, which can process content in seconds. If speed is crucial for you, that might be a factor to consider. Next up, the customization options. AI Writer Pro allows you to tweak certain aspects of the writing, but it doesn't have the same level of deep customization you'll find in tools like Phrase or Jarvis. These tools give you more control over tone, style, and intent of the content. The 10th thing is the support system. AI Writer Pro offers customer support, but it's not as responsive or robust as others in the industry like Jasper or Writesonic. If you're the type who values 24/7 support, this might be a deal breaker. The 11th thing is its ability to generate content across different niches. While AI Writer Pro can handle a variety of topics, its performance in highly specialized fields isn't as strong as tools like ScaleNut, which has more industry-specific training. The last thing to consider is the free trial. Unlike some of its competitors, AI Writer Pro offers a free trial, allowing you to test it out before committing. However, the trial period is shorter than some other options, so if you need more time to evaluate, you may want to look into alternatives. Overall, AI Writer Pro is a solid option for content creation, especially if you need a reliable and affordable tool for basic content writing. However, if you're looking for a better experience with more advanced features and a smoother user interface, we recommend checking out our top pick. You can try it for free and see if it meets your needs.